we know that Yamaha is readying a full fairing version of the MT-07 street bike. And we know that the Yamaha R7 is going to debut very soon. Today, we get our first look at the 2021 Yamaha R7 ahead of its official debut. The photos might not spill the full Monty about this machine, but they do provide some key insights into this new track one-up. The styling is, as you would expect, derived from the now defunct R6, which itself was a lift from the current generation R1. That should sit well with the sport biking masses, as the R1 and R6 have proven to be pleasing and sporty. The center-mounted headlight in the front fairing opening might be a less appreciated design element, but Yamaha has kept the side marker lights. Right away, we can see that Yamaha has upgraded the front end of the R7 to have upside-down forks, which is a welcome sight from the budget suspension found on the MT-07. The brakes and wheels seem to come straight from the MT-07, as does the exhaust. What will be interesting to see is whether Yamaha has updated the R7 with any electronic packages to keep the bike competitive with offerings like the Aprilia RS660, or if the Japanese brand is content on being on the budget side of the middleweight twin equation. Yamaha is teasing now a release date of May 18 for the R7, so keep your eyes peeled for the new Yamaha R7 in the coming days.